stop wasting money on dropshipping until you watch this complete video. Because in this video, I'll show you how I exactly made this much money in just 1 month. You started dropshipping on motivation basis by watching other successful dropshipper, but the only motivation can't help you to succeed in this business. Believe me, I failed at first, learned from my mistakes, and one day I found a recipe that helped me to achieve my goal. And I'm here to share all the secrets with you so that you can run your own profitable dropshipping business. In return, I'll simply ask you to like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you're excited about this, make sure do not skip any single part of this video. So without wasting more time, let's jump right in. To run a profitable dropshipping business, you must follow the following rule: niche research, find the right supplier, product research, website design, and product promotion. If you're new to dropshipping and have heard about these 5 things already but do not know how to find a right product or your niche, make sure you watch this entire video first before you start. When I start a new dropshipping business, I always begin with a niche research. To do this properly, I first run few tests. First, I check the niche trend using Google Trends. For example, if I decide on beauty product on social media or consider selling car accessory, I use Google Trends to see how popular those items are and how people's interest in them changes over time. I also use keyword research tool to see how many people are searching for certain keyword and how much competition is there. You can also use tool like SEMrush, Moz, Ahrefs, SimilarWeb, or any other similar alternative. After that, I focus on finding the reliable dropshipping supplier. When you search on Google for dropshipping supplier, you'll find many options there, but only few of them are truly the best. But I personally use Fulfillman.com as my dropshipping supplier. I choose Fulfillment because they offer fast shipping, high quality products, access to trending items, and excellent customer support. When picking a dropshipping supplier, I always look for the one that provides quick delivery option. Fulfillment.com has their own private line, which makes the delivery faster. For example, Fulfillment.com ships the product in 4 to 7 days to Australia, 5 to 8 days to US, Germany, Italy, and Spain, and 3 to 5 days to UK and France. Every buyer wants a fast delivery. If the customer found a longer delivery time on your store, they might lose interest and may not buy from your store. Another great reason to choose Fulfillment.com is their product quality. Fulfillment has its own warehouse in China where products are stored in excellent condition to ensure customer satisfaction. If you have your own fast-selling product, you can store your inventory in their warehouse for completely free. Whenever you receive a new order, Fulfillment will ship the product with their own private line with custom packaging options like your logo on the package, flyer, business card, custom boxes, and more. When it comes to customer support, Fulfillment offers easy and convenient return and refund policy. If your customer receives a damaged product, they will refund you. If the customer gets the wrong product, Fulfillment will resend it for free. If a shipment gets lost in transit, they'll either refund or resend it at no cost. And if your customer wants to return the product, no worries, Fulfillment will handle the entire process for you. Fulfillment also offers product photography service to improve your store conversion rate. It can be easily integrated with your favorite e-commerce platform like Shopify, WooCommerce, Amazon, eBay, and more. Once you finish with your niche research and you found your right dropshipping supplier, which is the Fulfillment.com, in the next step, make sure you have the e-commerce platform to sell your products. You can sell your products on Amazon, eBay, or you can sell your products on your own e-commerce website. Website creation is a long process, so I'm not gonna include that part in this video. However, if you want to build a website quickly, I recommend using Shopify. You can start with the Shopify for $1 a month for 3 months. Link in the video description. And if you're interested in learning how to create a website with WordPress, I've also created separate dedicated video for you guys that you can also watch in the video description. Finally, it's time to promote your products. If you want a quick result, use Facebook ads. To start with the Facebook ads, make sure you start by creating Facebook Ad Manager account. Verify your domain name and then add a Facebook pixel to track the user activity on your store. Also, make sure to create Facebook page and Instagram account. Next, set up the ad conversion campaign, or you can say the sale campaign. I usually create 3 ad sets with the minimum budget of $5 to $10 each. Each ad set should contain different audience. Now this is important. I run this campaign for at least 3 days to gather enough data so that later I can use that information or that data to scale my campaign further. Now let's take a look at the following rule for best conversion results.
On the first day, if I get at least 1 click, I let it run for the next day, and if I don't get any click on day first, I stop the campaign and change the target audience and interest. On the second day, I must have 1 add to cart. If I get it, I let it run for the next day. If I don't get any add to cart, I stop the campaign and start with the day 1, where I need 1 click on a day first. At this point, if I don't get any click, then I consider it non-profitable product. Now let's say on the second day, you got 1 add to cart and you let it run for third day. Now on third day, you must need 1 purchase. If you get the purchase on day 3rd, then let it run until you don't get any purchase.
So that's it. Implement all the secrets on your dropshipping business today and see the success of your dropshipping business on the day 1. So that's the end of this video, and I'll see you guys next time.